How to get into ketosis quickly? Well, the first thing you have to do is realize that keto is not a race and there is no prize for getting into ketosis quickly. Look, the best thing you can do if you've had a cheat meal and kicked yourself out of ketosis is to relax. Take a deep breath and just keep calm and keto on. There is no rush. Your body will get back into ketosis, no problem. Remember, one cheat meal doesn't undo all your hard work and progress. So, relax and take a deep breath. And just in case someone is giving you a prize for getting into ketosis quickly, then just do a 24-hour fast. Your body will burn through all your glycogen and you'll be back in ketosis sooner rather than later. So folks, I urge you to focus less on whether or not you are in ketosis and more on the food that you are actually eating. What's your opinion on this?